Here's the straightforward solution. The control center may be lagging or freezing, which causes shortcuts to stop responding. Also, control center access might be disabled inside apps or when the screen is locked. Use the correct gesture. Swipe down from the top right corner on iPhones without a home button. On an iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the bottom edge. If it's not working or feels stuck, a hard restart usually fixes internal software glitches all at once. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Now, check whether the issue is fixed. If you still can't access Control Center inside apps, open the Settings app and scroll to Control Center. Look for the Access Within Apps toggle. If this option is turned off, Control Center will only be available on the home screen. To reset Control Center to the default setup, tap the Reset Control Center option. To allow access to Control Center while the phone is locked, open the Settings app and scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, then scroll to the Allow Access When Locked section and turn on the Control Center toggle. That's it. In some cases, the screen may be cracked near the top edge or damaged by water. Sometimes, third-party display replacements have poor touch sensitivity, which can block swipe gestures. If you're still having issues, contact Apple support nearby and book a Genius Bar appointment. You may qualify for a free repair or replacement if your device is under warranty. That's all the ways to fix Control Center not working on iPhone. Please like this video to support me, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.